about time again, and this is a 2011 Lexus GX460, and we are conducting general repairs on this car, from the engine to the suspension to the steering to the radiator, everything that is faulty with this car. It's gonna be the Technician Precious is already working on the tune-up service and lubrication service. And as you can see, the radiator has been taken out, and this color you are seeing right here are traces of coolant leakage, because they are cracked around the radiator, and we're going to replace it and make sure that the coolant stops leaking and prevent the engine from overheating. And can I have the valve cover, please? Now, the valve cover of the engine. So these are the seals in the valve cover to prevent engine oil from leaking out. But the seals inside are worn out, and it's causing engine oil leakage. And when you remove the spark plug, this is what you get, and eventually it will start going in or even shorting your oil. So we're going to sort that out and make sure that everything is perfect. Take that. Thank you very much. And if you look inside here, you'll be wondering what is wrong with the suspension. So the front drive shaft is not properly working, like it is vibrating when you are moving. I'm going to emphasize more on that. So we've removed the front drive shaft. The brake disc is worn out, and we need to change it. And if you look inside too, there's a lot of rust around this suspension area, and we're going to be spraying anti-rust so that the vehicle will stop getting rusted. So let's talk about the vibration here. So this customer will be driving this car, and this vibration is very, very severe, so that it's now affecting the stability of the car. I drove this car yesterday, and it's terrible, and I won't advise you to drive a vehicle as terrible as that, but it is very dangerous. You can maneuver at any slight turn. So basically, we run our diagnosis. This should take us to the back of the vehicle. Differential parts have been taken out. This is the complete differential of the vehicle. What does the differential do? It allows for independent movement of the drive wheel, right? And inside here, there's a lot of vibration coming out from the differential, and it's terrible. Like, it's terrible. This also is a propeller shaft. The center bearing is very bad, and we need to change it. Now, this is the front drive shaft that I told you about, and we're changing it completely. Now, look at the brake disc. Just imagine what is going on here. This is the only place that brake pad is gripping on the disc. Look at these rusted angles. You can see the difference between the center and the sides, right? This, we're changing the brake disc. This is the rear brake disc, front brake disc, and the brake pad. Stabilizer bar bushing, and all of that. So guys, stay tuned and watch the outcome of this vehicle. We're going to fix it perfectly, and vehicle will be suitable to the driver or the owner of the car, and it will be very, very smooth on the driveway.